Hi everyone, Scott here from Rabbit and Fox Gone. Just want to introduce you to some new equipment here that I've been given from OSA. MARS LTV 640 by 480 50mm 4 to 12 times zoom. Okay, this one has the recording function whereas the previous LT version didn't. So with this one you get a manual. Basically online is all you get, refers you to the website ATN Corp in the US or ATN EU. Grab the support banner, underneath that manual, click on your device and away you go. Print it out if you're struggling to remember stuff to take it with you for your one-shot zero. I will do a video later on of the one-shot zero, but in the box we get neoprene cover, eye relief and a USB charging, as well as the scope itself. A lot lighter than the Mars 4s that I've been running for quite a while now. Lighter than the 4Ks. We're back to almost a glass scope sort of weight. No mounts with this model. We'll be fitting up a kinetic side lock here. QD one-piece mount. Great return to zeros on these that I've found in my work. Okay, once you've got one of these, you want to grab yourself a 32 gig card. That's plenty of capacity to do all your recording that you want to do in any night. I've never run out of capacity with them. I go on SanDisk class 10s, charging port, SD port there, no side dial zoom on these. They now zoom through the buttons on the LTV model. The same 640 sensor as what we run in the Mars 4. I'm going to mount this up on my LA101 and we'll do some comparative videos of this online, but looking forward to having these online and available for you guys to purchase out there. We've also got the Binox 4T to do a bit of a review on and some range finding with that. So yeah, keep an eye out. We'll definitely have links up very shortly to the new Series 5 coming to Australia. Hopefully by the end of this month we'll be looking at the night vision series, and very shortly after we'll have thermal models. If you want more information on that, there's a few YouTube videos out there to have a look at. But hopefully we'll have some of them up on our site ourselves. Like I said, jump online, Rabbit and Fox Gone. Jump on our Facebook page, there should be links to our sales onto our YouTube account or through the website itself. Thanks for watching.